Hey, my foodie friends and family, how you all doing? It's starting to look a bit like summer, and that means it's time to make some barbecue ribs. I have got a recipe here that it uses sugar-free ingredients, and they taste just as delicious as if you use the full sugar sauces. If you're on a sugar-restricted diet like I am, this is ideal. So I've got one rack of pork side ribs that I've cut into sections, and I'm seasoning them with some chicken and rib seasoning. You can buy this pre-mixed in the store. Get one side coated and then flip them over and do the other side. That was me looking in the dishwasher for my tongs and I couldn't find them, so I had to use fingies. Get them nicely coated. If you have your own rib seasoning mix, then please use that. But this mix from the keg is actually really good. So once we have those seasoned, we're going to set up the Instant Pot so that we can steam the ribs and make them tender. I put the insert in, the steaming insert, and I'm adding 1 cup of unsweetened apple juice, and about 1/3 cup of chicken broth. We want to make sure we add some flavor to this as it's steaming. Just adding water will kind of pull the flavor of the pork ribs out, so we want to put some in. So I've packed up the Instapot with the ribs. Yes, I know they're kind of tight, but we're not going to completely cook them in the Instant Pot. Just steam them a bit to get them soft. We're going to pressure cook on high for about 20 to 30 minutes. We don't want them falling apart. So there they are. They've been pressure cooked. They're now tender and juicy, and we're going to continue on with the recipe. On a baking dish, I've laid out the pork ribs, and now I'm going to slather them with some sugar-free barbecue sauce. I was amazed that I could actually find something that was sugar-free. It doesn't have molasses, it doesn't have brown sugar, but it tastes really good. So, try it out. If you're on a sugar-restricted diet, this might be something for you. Please check the label contents for the sugar amounts if there are any, and enjoy some barbecue ribs this summer. So I basted one side of the ribs with some sauce. I mean, you can certainly use more. I don't particularly like the ribs to be too goopy with sauce, but I'm sure lots of you do. So please put as much sauce as you want. Once we have one side basted, we're going to turn them over and do the other side. Don't they look good? I mean, the seasoning that we used in the Instapot has made these just yummy looking. And now we're going to make them even better with some more of the sugar-free sauce. This sugar-free barbecue sauce is available in a number of stores, but you really have to look. This was the only one that I found that truly was sugar-free. So please check the label if that's a restriction in your diet that you need to watch out for. I'm diabetic, and I need to make sure that sugar content is exactly what it says. So these go in the oven and broil for 20 to 30 minutes until the outside is crispy and the sauce has bubbled up. Don't they look good? Serve this along with some potato salad or macaroni salad, some coleslaw, and a nice cold beer, and you got a great summer dinner sitting outside the back of your house on the patio. If you like the recipe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel. Love to have some more foodies with me. Thanks for stopping by for some more food that warms your soul, and mine too. We'll see you next time.